So what is a wave? A wave is simply a disturbance that transports energy from one place to another through a medium, which could be air, solid, liquid, or even a vacuum, without actually transporting the medium or the thing it passes through. Example scenarios would be, when listening to music coming from a cell phone, there are sound waves, and the sound waves coming from the phone speaker is an example of a mechanical wave. Particles vibrate in the air as well as the membranes inside my ears, as sound waves travel from the phone speaker towards my ear. So if the frequency of the sound wave is high, the sound it will provide will be high-pitched, and if the amplitude of the sound wave is high, the sound it will provide will be loud. Sound waves are essential for it allows daily communication to happen. The next scenario would be the spring waves on motorcycle shocks, which is also an example of a mechanical wave. So the particles of the medium vibrate to and fro in the same direction of the energy transport, which can be observed through compressions. So the greater the amplitude of the spring waves, the closer the particles could be. And greater frequency means there are more compressional patterns that can be observed. They are significant for a lot of products of technology uses the mechanisms of spring in order to function. And the last scenario would be calling someone using a smartphone which utilizes radio waves, which is an example of electromagnetic wave. It propagates in a vacuum through transmitting radio wave signals to and from nearby base stations. In the case of radio waves, it uses frequency modulation. The amplitude of the signal remains constant, while the frequency is varied at higher or lower rate. In today's time, radio waves are significant for they play a huge role in communicating globally.